In this session, I'm going to make you practice. So stay connected until I finish this video. You're going to get a lot of benefits from the video. So you should be watching till the end. Okay, so let's begin now. So basic sentences using regardless of. Regardless of what you say, I won't change my mind. Regardless of the distance, we will visit them. Regardless of the traffic, I need to be there on time. Regardless of the rules, I'm going to do it my way. Regardless of the consequences, I tell the truth. Regardless of the situation, she will rescue the cat. Regardless of the difficulty, I'll finish the project. Regardless of your opinion, I believe it's the right things to do. Regardless of your background, everyone deserves respect. Regardless of your feelings, we need to talk about this. Regardless of your intention, your actions hurt me. Regardless of your status, you're still human. Regardless of your grades, you have potential. Regardless of your experience, we are willing to give you a chance. Sentences using I make do with. I make do with a sandwich for lunch only. I make do with this old coat only. I make do with black coffee only. I make do with one room only. I make do with a little sleep only. I make do with public transport only. I make do with cheap clothes only. I make do with basic food only. I make do with a simple life only. I make do with a few friends only. I make do with a small car only. I make do with this old phone only. I make do with a short holiday only. I make do with this old computer only. I make do with this old TV only. I make do with a few hours of sleep only. I make do with one suitcase only. I make do with a simple breakfast only. I make do with this old chair only. I make do with a short walk only. I make do with a basic room only. I make do with a blanket only. I make do with a few minutes only. I make do with a simple dress only. I make do with this old lamp only. I make do with a little water only. Basic sentences using would you make do without? Would you make do without coffee? Would you make do without tea? Would you make do without chocolate? Would you make do without your bed? Would you make do without a shower? Would you make do without a toilet? Would you make do without a fridge? Would you make do without a TV? Would you make do without a doctor? Would you make do without a teacher? Would you make do without a bus? Would you make do without a supermarket? Next one is I can make do without. I can make do without a car in this city. I can make do without meat. I can make do without a TV. I can make do without coffee in the morning. I can make do without sugar in my tea. I can make do without a computer. I can make do without a smartphone. I can make do without a garden. I can make do without a dishwasher. I can make do without a washing machine. I can make do without a microwave. I can make do without a fridge. Sentences using I have been able to. I have been able to cook dinner tonight. I have been able to finish my homework. I have been able to clean my room. I have been able to learn 5 new words. I have been able to find my keys. I have been able to understand the movie. I have been able to catch the bus. I have been able to buy some milk. I have been able to write an email. I have been able to talk to my friend on the phone. I have been able to swim faster this year. I have been able to play the guitar better. I have been able to speak English more fluently. Next one is according to. According to the menu, they have pizza. According to the book, dogs are friendly. According to the map, the park is over there. According to the guidebook, the museum is interesting. According to the locals, the beach is beautiful. According to the brochure, the hotel has a pool. According to the sign, parking is forbidden. According to the tourist information, the bus stop is nearby. According to the report, the economy is growing. According to the study, people are living longer. According to the survey, most people like chocolate. According to the article, the new phone is great. The new phone is great. According to my opinion, it's a good idea. Thank you so much for watching this video.